Section 1. The harsh truth. So you're thinking of investing in the stock market? Great. But here's the truth no one tells you. Most beginners lose money. Not because they're dumb, but because they treat the stock market like a shortcut to wealth, not a system built for the long game. You've probably seen TikToks about making quick gains or buying the next hot stock. But the truth is, this mindset is what Wall Street feeds on. They make billions because beginners gamble, panic, and buy into the hype. If you don't understand the game you're playing, you'll get played. Before you invest a single pound, you need to understand how the market really works, how to build a foundation that actually lasts. Section 2. How the stock market actually works. The stock market isn't a casino, it's a marketplace where people buy and sell ownership in companies. When you buy a stock, you're buying a piece of a real business. If that business grows and earns more, your investment grows. But in the short term, prices can be unpredictable. Headlines, emotions, global events, they all move the market. That's why you need a strategy, not a guess. Investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. And if you can stay consistent, avoid emotional decisions, and think long term, the stock market can become one of the most powerful tools to build your wealth. Section 3. The smart way to start. So how do you start investing without getting wrecked? First, start small. Don't throw in everything you have. Even £50 to £100 is enough to learn. Second, focus on broad, low-risk investments like index funds. These track the entire market, so you're not betting on one company. Platforms like Trading 212, Vanguard, or Freetrade, they'll start with just a few clicks. And don't forget, before you invest, make sure you've got an emergency fund, money you won't touch. This isn't a race. Your goal is to build habits, not hype. The smartest investors, they win slowly, consistently, and not all at once. Section 4. My journey from £0 to £1,000. When I first started investing, I knew nothing. I was broke, confused, and terrified of losing money. But I started anyway, slowly. I used £100, learned how to research, avoided emotional decisions, and kept going. Over time, this first 100 grew. I reinvested gains, stayed consistent, and eventually earned my first 1,000. Was it fast? No. Was it exciting every day? Definitely not. But it worked, because I treated investing like a long-term habit, not a quick hustle. And if you do the same, start small, stay patient, and think long-term, the stock market can change your life too. If this helped, hit a like, drop a comment, and subscribe. Because in the next video, we're diving into how to pick your first investments. Let's build wealth the smart way.